Hello students. Now we will study how to shut down our computer. So click on the start button and select the shutdown button at the bottom of the right pane. The system gets shut down. Okay. Now you can also see that icons. So small graphic symbols displayed on the desktop are called icons. So the window uses many objects that have the specific functions such as files, programs, computer folders, network, neighborhood, network shortcuts, and the recycle bin. So all the icons play a very important role in the graphical user interface. You can find the icons on the desktop of all these. Okay. So now move on to the next topic. You see the different types of icons. So there are four types of icons on the desktop. You can see application icon, shortcut icon, documents icon, system icons. So application icons are the graphical image provide a quick access to the related applications like Microsoft Word application icon. So you can find on the desktop, make a double click on that, so Microsoft Word will open. Similarly, the shortcut icon is containing a direct route to a specific object. So you can create a shortcut for any file. So it is indicated with a small jump arrow in the lower left corner. So double click on this icon will activate the related application document or folder. So that will be open. So document icon is also a shortcut icon of a document created by a software application. So the active document window of an application window can be minimized to a document icon which gets placed on the taskbar. Okay. So you will find this all the icons, document icons on the taskbar, or these are the document icon. You can see the okay, like this is the get help. If I want to close it, I can click on this. Okay, it will be closed. Now system icon. These icons are created when you install the Windows operating system. So some other applications which are already it will be come on the desktop when you install the operating system, like the network neighborhood, computer icon, recycle bin icon, documents, and internet explorer, etc. So now we move to the next topic. As you see, now see the network icon. See, this is the network icon. This icon allows you network icon. So this icon allows you to access the shared resources such as file and printers. So you can share your files. If you make your file shareable with other computers, you have to place that file in the network folder. Document, it is a folder that a system commonly used to store documents. So whatever documents you create on the Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint, so after saving that will stored in the document folder. You can access them easily whenever you require by opening the document folder and search it there. Internet Explorer. This icon represents the default web browser of the Microsoft Windows. So double clicking on this icon will open the Internet Explorer application, and using this you can surf the internet. You can search anything on the internet. Computer. See the complete information regarding the system drives, that how many partitions you created in your hard disk. So all that partitions, drives, names along with their names will be shown in the computer folder. So other peripherals also, whatever the hardware you attach to your computer, like the Bluetooth, like any CD or DVD you have inserted in the CD drive or DVD drive. So usually there are three categories of available information given below on the computer folder. See, that is the hard disk drive information category 1. C drive, D drive, E drive are the different partitions of our hard disk drive. See the local disk C, you will find usually C drive is used to load the operating system in the memory, and D and E drives are used as the other partitions for storing data and other information. So all your applications, whatever you install in the computer, usually stored in the C drive. Second category is the devices with removable storage. So DVD rewritable drive F. This drive is used to read or write the data on a CD-ROM or using the CD drive. So here, if you insert a CD in your computer, so that you will find in the DVD readable drive F. So making click on that, you can run the CD and DVD. Removable disk G. This type is used to read data on the pen drive. So when you insert a pen drive in the computer, you will see your pen drive name and the memory content. The data content in the pen drive will be stored in the removable disk G. Category 3, network location. Share document. You see, this is the folder where you can store any data. that you wish to share with other people on the network. That is the shared document. If your computer is connected with any LAN or network, so you can make that files application programs shareable by keeping it in the shared documents. Now users document. So the documents that belong to the system admin and are stored in this folder, users document. So until or unless you are also the admin, you cannot view this file. So only the admin can see the files in the present in the users document. So all files shared in documents folder can be viewed using this icon. Okay. So now move to the next topic. See the categories of the hard disk and category 2 and category 3 are shown here. Local disk, hard disk type C, D and E, and here devices removable storage, DVD, rewritable drive F, and removable disk G. Okay, and you can see the network location also category 3 here. So recycle bin, it also another icon you can see recycle bin. It works like a trash bin in which you throw the waste papers. Similarly, whenever you delete any application or file, folder, whatever the document you delete from your computer, that will go in the recycle bin. So means that you are throwing in a trash bin. It is a folder that holds the deleted objects. You can always retrieve the deleted files from there. So as you can recover your things from that trash bin also, if suppose an important thing by mistake is thrown in your trash in your dustbin, so you can search there also. So similarly here, if you by mistake deleted any file, so you can recover your file by searching in the recycle bin. Okay, if you delete all the files present in the recycle bin, so now that is the permanent delete. Now you cannot recover your file. Next you see the taskbar. So this taskbar is a long horizontal bar at the bottom of the desktop. As you see here, this is the taskbar. There is a start button in the Windows 7, and here it is also the start button of Windows 10. So on the extreme left side of there you will find the start button. This is the start button on the extreme left side. The middle section of the bar shows the button level for each opened application. So all the application which I have opened here appears on the taskbar, which is highlighted. See, this I have opened, that is highlighted, and this I have opened, that is highlighted, and this I have opened, that is highlighted. Okay. So quick launch bar is present on the right side of the start button. This is the quick launch bar. Present on the right side of the start button, the icon displayed on this bar helps in the quickly accessing the programs. On making a single click, the applications will be open. Here, see, if I make a single click, that will be open. Now, if I once more click on this, again it will be minimized. Okay, like this. You can see it. So this is the quick launch bar area. Now, the right side of the taskbar is known as notification area. That is the notification area entirely fine. This is the notification area. See the one notification. Here I have the one new notification, which includes a clock and a group of icons. Also you find in the notification area. Here see OneDrive signing in, and this is the speaker, and this is the shown hidden icons. So many icons are here. Also you can see in the notification area. See different things are there available. You can see Saber link, you can not connected. This is the for connecting with help of the Wi-Fi, and the antivirus quick heal with the battery 93%. Like all these are the premium Windows security, OBS Studio using your microphone. All these things are there. So desktop button is present on the extreme right of the taskbar. That is present in the Windows 7. Here you will not find in the Windows 10. So I am using Windows 10. Okay. So simply placing the cursor on this desktop button minimizes all the opening windows and show the desktop. Okay, that is the thing here. Now move to the next topic. So see here, that is the start button, that is the quick launch bar, and this is the show desktop button here on the Windows 7 you find, and this is the notification area. Okay, that you can see it. Now activating Windows, how you activate the Windows. So most programs place a button on the taskbar when they are open. So see, this PDF is open, so this taskbar is placed here. This icon is placed on the taskbar. So clicking on one of these buttons makes the application window active. So if I click on this, so it will be active. See, if I am clicking on this OBS Studio, that will be active. Now once more click, it will be minimized. So clicking on the button again will minimize the application window. When an application is active, its button is highlighted in a lighter shade and appears to be pushed in. As you see, these three are highlighted. Here they also see highlighted. Okay, so the Windows taskbar provides the easiest method to switch within the open program. So I can switch from this program to this program by making a just click. Adding programs to the quick launch bar. So here how we add the programs on the launch bar. Click on the icon of the program that you want to add. So you have to make a click on that, and after that you can find most of the programs icons on the new icon is now available as a shortcut for starting the program that you have selected. Okay, or then drag it to the quick launch bar. By selecting that and drag your mouse, and that program will come here on the quick launch bar. Okay, also making a right click, also you can add it on the, so I can show you also that how you can do it. So suppose I'm minimizing all these things and I want to bring the, suppose this I want to bring this Picasa on the task bar. So make a click on it. Okay, now drag it on the taskbar. So here see I brought it. Now it is, I found it here. Okay, that is the one method. Now you can remove it also. So here make a right click, unpin from taskbar. It will be removed also. See. Okay, this is the way you can do it. So this is the things which we can do it. Okay, now see. Okay, so move to the next topic. Switching applications. See how. So in the Windows taskbar provides the easiest methods to switch between the open programs, open multiple applications like CorelDRAW, MS Word, MS Paint, maximize the current application to expand your work over the entire desktop. So to switch to the other application, hold down the Alt key and press Tab key. Once Windows will open to the other application. So as you can see also uh, Alt and Tab key. So what I have to do, so hold down the Alt key and press Tab key for down. See here. So from here to here I am switching. Like this we can do it. Okay. Okay. So now the Windows elements uses. So Windows 7 is a rectangular work area which is used to operate different applications. So it is similar to books or folders lying on the desk which you can open and refer to. So clicking on the icon will open the application. So it's called the active window. So any icon I will click, so it will be open. See that I am clicking that will open. Okay. Now the Windows elements you see. Windows 7 is a rectangular work area. This is a rectangular work area to operate the different applications. So it's similar to the books or folders lying on the desk. So clicking on the icon will open the application. See, that is the address bar. So which file you open. Suppose you here local disk EUR. So local disk E is present in the my computer folder. So that address will find. Any file you open, use the address will find in the address bar. So the address bar. So this is the close button, maximize button, and this is the minimize button. Okay, this is a frame. In the frame you find the tabs. All these are the frames. Now this is the vertical scroll bar to scroll it up and down. This is the horizontal scroll bar to scroll from left to right. Okay. Now the title bar. See, horizontal bar at the top of the window is displaying the name of the current document and applications. On the right side of the title bar, you can view the minimize or restore, maximize and close button. These are the basic Windows controls which you will find on every Windows. They can control. Here you all see all these are the basic controls: minimize button, maximize button. Now when it is maximized, this will convert into the restore button, restore down. Now when I will click on time, now see it will become maximize. So this is the thing. Now here is the close button. See, minimize button, the small horizontal line here, you see small horizontal line is the minimize button, as you can see it here. If you click on the minimize button to reduce the window to a button on the taskbar, the name of the application will be displayed on that button. To bring the window back to it, so window size, click on the same button on the taskbar. Okay, so then it will be the bring to the same. If I click, it will be minimized. See, minimized. One time who click, it will again maximized. Okay, so this is the minimize button. Now move to the next topic. Now the maximize button. So the button has a square on it. Clicking on the maximize button enlarges the window to its possible maximum size. Restore down button. When you maximize the window, the maximize button is replaced by the restore down, which I explained you here. As you see, this is the restore down, and when I click on it, it will become the maximize. See, Now when I click on the next, it will become restore down. This is working as a toggle button. So close button with a cross symbol is called a close button. Clicking on the close button will close the application. Okay, this is only the things. So now you can see the address bar. So horizontal bar located at the top of the window. The address bar shows the path of the current window which you have opened. Frame usually located above the contents of the window, and it has both menu bar and toolbar. So all these are the frames. This is the C. This is the one frame. This is the second frame. Okay. So this is the second frame. This is the another frame. Now the menu bar, it contains all the menu commands. So here it is, see, this is the menu bar. It contains all the commands like file, edit, view, document, tools, window, help. So clicking on the menu command display the drop down list of commands. So here if I click drop down list, I will find, see, this is the drop down list, it is the document commands. So scroll bar, it is the vertical and horizontal scroll bars on the right side of the bottom of the screen respectively. Here it is the vertical scroll bar, and here you will find this is the horizontal scroll bar. If I click on it, see, it will move like this. The horizontal scroll bar. This is the vertical scroll bar. Okay, like this we can move. Now status bar, it is a long horizontal bar present at the bottom of the window, and this is the status bar you will find. See, this is the status bar. And display information about the status of the content in the window. Here it is displaying the status of the content 11.69 to 7.97 it is displaying. Okay, so this is all for today. Now in the next class we will discuss about the application window and the document window and the Windows Explorer. Okay, so thank you for today and thank you for the attention.